Mango Graham Cake by French Sheep Menu. Ingredients: graham crackers, ripe mango, condensed milk, and all-purpose cream. First, put the all-purpose cream into a bowl. Mix it using a hand mixer or wire whisk. Then add the condensed milk and mix it. Gradually add the condensed milk while mixing it. Place a layer of graham crackers in a rectangular container or any container of your choice, then pour a portion of the mixture. Make sure the layer is evenly covered. Then place another layer of graham crackers and bits of mango slices. Repeat the process of layering until you reach the desired height of your cake. Make sure to finish it off with a milk mixture on top. And put some slices of mangoes, then refrigerate or chill overnight. Here's your Mango Graham Cake by French Sheep Menu. Thank you for watching!